Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Government Girls Higher Secondary School Jowai, haka arpotrik ulaber kalasdang Ïaka jing Rakhe Golden Jubilee, ne ka jing kenjo sha umaumer jong ka Jingdap sanpo Snem haka jing yat linti, ban ai jing Shakri haka liang kapule kaputhi hapo ka district. Haka ne kasi UMLA ka Jowai uba Wailat Miki Shila ula longkum ukong san haka jing don lang ka sembut kong san ka kong AP Snem, the Joint Director of School Education and Literacy, but in charge DSEO West Giant Hills District. Ïaka jing yalang lapelong hamadan dri salen chut waku Jowai haka jing don lang ru kinong hikai ki keme ki kpa ki khana school ki pass pupils nalor ki wei de ki bala shakhat sobha. La yo ka jing kren pediang na ka vice principal ka kong Valency Lamare kat ba ka principal ka Dr. Waisa Sumer kalakren halor ka history jong ka jing ya linti jong ka school nadu bala seng ya ka house nem shejar khandai spa nyokusan kumju ka Dr. EK Paswet ka bapas ningkong ya ka exam SSLC hakani ka school uba wailat miki shilla haka jingkren ula ai jingero ya ka ne ka school kabalala ban kenjo sha umau mer basan posnem haka kam ban sandur ya ka lawe jongi khana pule haka jingnang jing start lapen pho pen phieng ya ka jing Rakhe da ki jing rai bat ki jing shat na ki khana school bat na ki pass pupil bala samru ya ki jing ai sobha sha baro ki nong hikai berim hashwa kani uba wailat miki shila ula ple ya ka building mathmai jong ka commerce stream jong ka ne school.
When I was sitting there, I was thinking that at a time where in the other part of the world and even in our country, where we are still fighting for girls' education, but today we are celebrating 50 years of Government Girls Higher Secondary School. So I feel proud to be from this community, from this state. And also I like to urge our young girl, you should be feeling very fortunate and you should make use of this opportunity. Because in other part of the world or even in our country, I'll tell you, there are many places who are still fighting for girls' education. But here we are, celebrating 50 years today. And I also like to take this opportunity to thank to our founders, to our leaders who under their visionary leadership we could be all here today. I know it's not has been easy, especially with the ups and downs, different challenges from one government to another government. But with all those challenges and difficulties, which is there even today, but I'm so happy and I'm so amazed where in this time where in most of the cases where people have lacked trust in the government institution, but during the admission I feel so proud when so many people call me for admission. That is in the government school, which is very rare. So for this, I really like to congratulate all the teachers who have dedicated themselves in imparting quality education to our young girls.
When looking at the achievements of Government Girls Higher Secondary School, we understand the responsibility, the dedication of all the teachers who have gone by who were past teachers and all the teachers who are currently in their post for making Government Girls achieved what it has achieved today. Government Girls is as it is today because of the dedication, the hard work of all, not only the teachers but also the parents who have sent their children to this institution to make this institution what it is. So on behalf of the government, I congratulate once again to the Government Girls Higher Secondary School, Jowai. Jubilee is a time of celebration. Jubilee is a time where we remember the victories that we have achieved. And a day as this makes us to recall what we have achieved and what are the challenges that we have faced throughout these 50 years. And today is a day where we also would like to take up a decision as to what we can do much better than what we have already achieved. And this can be done by the cooperation of both the government, the principal, the teachers, the students, the parents, as well as the community as a whole. Because without the support of the parents and the community, the school would not be as it is.
Here before you all today to recite a beautiful poem about my school. So, here I begin. 50 years, a journey grand, a guiding light, a helping hand. Government Girls High Secondary stand, so tall, a home of hope, a dream for all. Since 1975, through joy and pain, it shaped young hearts like sun and rain. With love so deep and wisdom true, it leads the path for me and you. Teachers nurtures heart so wide, lifting spirit side by side. Every girl a star so bright, glowing strong with future's light. Memories whisper through this hall, laughter echoes friendship's call. Tears and triumph, love and care, a sisterhood beyond compare. Alumni return with hearts so full, grateful for this precious school. 50 years forever near, a legacy we hold so dear.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ những video hấp dẫn.